Hello, in this video I am going to talk about abstract factory design pattern, one of the popular and vastly used design patterns in software development. What is this? Abstract factory is a creational design pattern that lets you produce families of related objects without specifying their concrete classes. Abstract factory is a factory of factories, which means it is a super factory that creates other factories. In technical terms, abstract factory provides an interface for creating families of related or dependent products, but leaves the actual object creation to the concrete factory. When to use? When you need to provide library of products without exposing implementation logic, you need to create multiple related objects designed to be used together. Abstract factory is used when your system needs to create multiple families of products, or you need a factory of factories. When you need to reveal just interfaces of the products, not the implementation. When you need to give subclass the responsibility to decide which class to instantiate. Now I am going to show an implementation of the abstract factory design pattern. For that, first of all, what we need to create is a concrete factory. For me, there is an iBike factory, which is an interface, and iScooter, which is another concrete factory interface. Both have method named name, which is returning string. So these two interfaces will be implemented by concrete product class. So here is Hornet class. It is a concrete product class implementing the concrete factory, iBike. So Hornet is a type of bike which is implementing a method name. Pulsar is another bike which is returning the same method and implementing the iBike. It is a concrete product class implementing the concrete factory. So Hornet and Pulsar both are type of a category of product. It is a bike category. So both are type of bike. In the same way, to implement the iScooter concrete factory, we have Hero Scooty. Hero Scooty is a type of scooty, so it is implementing the iScooter. It is also a concrete product class implementing the concrete factory. So Hero Scooty, I should have another scooty named Honda Scooty. Let's say the name of the scooty is Honda Scooty. So it is another type of scooter which is implementing the iScooter, returning the method from the iScooter interface, implementing the method from the iScooter interface, which is returning a string. Now we have two concrete factories and two concrete product classes. So to implement the abstract factory design pattern, I should have a super factory which will implement, which will be a factory of factories. So I have an iVehicle factory. iVehicle factory will have two methods, and both methods one method will return iBike and another will return iScooter. So vehicle factory will return the concrete factories. So it is a super factory and factory of factories which is returning two type of concrete factories, which is implementing two type of factories with two different methods. Now we have a Honda factory and it is implementing the iVehicle factory, implementing the abstract factory. So we have get bike and get scooter, two methods returning the iBike. So Honda factory will produce two types of products, bike and scooter, and both will return the instance of particular classes, Hornet class and Scooty class, Honda Scooty class in this case. And we have Hero factory. This is a concrete class which is implementing the super factory, which is also implementing two methods, and Hero factory will produce two types of products, bike and scooter of Hero brand. We have an additional class. In my case, I have declared an additional class which is actually using an enum of two type of manufacturers, Honda and Hero. And this class is receiving a parameter of enum type, and based on the type of manufacturer, it will instantiate the factory, super factory. Here I have created an instance of the class validity type check and sending the manufacturer's type. And based on the type of manufacturers, first it is sending the Honda manufacturer, and second it is sending the Hero manufacturer. And after that, after instantiating with the particular type of manufacturers, it write the output. If I run the application, first in the program, it first sends Honda and then Hero. And first it is writing the output: Honda Hornet for bike, Honda Scooty for scooter, and Pulsar for Hero, and Hero Scooter for Hero manufacturers. So this validity type check is using the super factory to instantiate the super factory with the particular manufacturer type and returning the bike or scooter for the particular manufacturer. I hope you have understood the abstract factory design pattern. Thank you.